Welcome to Luxor, Egypt. Once the capital of ancient Egypt, it's now known as the world's greatest open-air museum. Luxor offers an unforgettable journey through time. Discover its vibrant culture and delicious cuisine while exploring its best attractions. Luxor was known in ancient times as Thebes and was once the capital of Egypt during the New Kingdom period. Our first stop in Luxor is the magnificent Karnak temple complex. This vast complex of temples, chapels and other buildings spans over 200 acres and was constructed over a period of more than 2,000 years. As one of the largest religious sites in the world and one of the most visited sites in Luxor, Karnak Temple Complex is a must-see for any traveler. Explore its ancient ruins and discover its rich history. Luxor Temple is another popular attraction in Luxor. It was built around 1400 BC during the reign of Pharaoh Amenhotep III and was later expanded by other pharaohs such as Tutankhamun and Ramesses II. The temple was dedicated to the god Amen and his wife Mut. Next on our journey through Luxor is the awe-inspiring Valley of Kings. Located on the west bank of Nile River across from Luxor City, this valley contains more than 60 tombs that were constructed for pharaohs and powerful nobles during Egypt's New Kingdom period. Here you will have the opportunity to explore some of the most famous tombs, including those of Tutankhamun, Ramesses II and Seti I. Delve into the rich history of this ancient necropolis. Our next stop in Luxor is the stunning Temple of Hatshepsut. Located near the Valley of Kings on West Bank, this temple was built for Queen Hatshepsut who ruled Egypt from around 1478 to 1458 BC. Considered one of the most beautiful temples in Egypt due to its unique design featuring 3 terraces connected by ramps, this temple is a must-see for any traveler. Discover its ancient ruins and uncover its fascinating history. Our journey through Luxor continues with a visit to the Colossi of Memnon. These 2 massive stone statues represent Pharaoh Amenhotep III and stand near Luxor on West Bank. Originally part of a larger mortuary temple that has since been destroyed, these statues are an impressive sight to behold. Luxor is home to many other stunning tourist attractions. Medinet Habu is an archaeological site associated with the mortuary temple of Ramesses III. The Ramesseum is a mortuary temple dedicated to Pharaoh Ramesses II. Deir el-Shelwit is an ancient temple dedicated to the goddess Isis. Luxor is a city with a rich history and culture. In addition to its historic sites, Luxor also has a strong Islamic culture. No visit would be complete without a visit to the Abu Haggag Mosque. The Abu Haggag Mosque is a mosque located on Luxor's east bank, in the first court of the ancient Luxor temple complex. It was built during the 13th century and is still a place of worship to this day. The mosque is integrated into the structure of Luxor Temple, an ancient Egyptian center of worship, making it one of the oldest continuously used temples in the world. If you're enjoying our videos, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video from us. After exploring Luxor's ancient monuments, it's time to indulge in its delicious cuisine. There are many restaurants in Luxor serving traditional Egyptian dishes such as koshari, full medames and ta'ameh. Koshari is a popular Egyptian dish made with rice, lentils and pasta. It's often topped with tomato sauce and crispy fried onions. This hearty and flavorful dish is a must-try in Egypt. Full medames is a traditional Egyptian dish made with cooked fava beans and spices. It's often served with bread and can be enjoyed for breakfast or as a snack. This flavorful dish is a staple in Egyptian cuisine. Ta'ameh is the Egyptian version of falafel. It's made with fava beans and spices and is often served in a sandwich with vegetables and tahini sauce. This delicious dish is a must-try in Egypt. In conclusion, Luxor is a city that offers a unique blend of ancient history and modern culture. With its stunning architecture and rich history, it is a must-see destination for any traveler visiting Egypt. From the tombs of famous pharaohs to the bustling streets of the modern city, Luxor has something for everyone. Whether you're interested in history, culture, or just looking for an adventure, Luxor is sure to leave a lasting impression. We hope you enjoyed this video and we look forward to seeing you on your next adventure in the Middle East. Thanks for watching and supporting our channel.